welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to do the 4G Play speed test and the download test comparison between the Realme X1 Max device versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. Ask me to compare these both phones side by side. Let's see which phone has got really good signals in terms of the download speeds, in terms of the browsing speeds as well. I mean in terms of speed test results. That's what I'm going to compare between these both devices. And right now in this video for the demonstration, I'm trying to use the Jio SIM card as an example. Let's see how much difference can it be there between these both phones and what kind of bands they are actually connected. So first let me try to show you the RX Monitor application, and in the download test I'll try to download this game, which is 56 MB size game. I'll try to do the download test as soon as possible. Let me try to first show you what network both phones are connected. So you can see the network Jio 4G, 4G plus aggregation is coming in the Realme X1 Max. Even the Realme GT Neo 2 also will get the 4G plus aggregation after some time. Sometimes it doesn't get, so I'm just trying to inform you. And now we got to know both phones are using the same Jio SIM card. Now it's time to check what is happening with the NetMonster application. Let me open the NetMonster application to show you what kind of band frequencies they're connected. Realme X1 Max is connected to the 1800 band frequency, you can see. 4G plus I'm getting in the Realme X1 Max 1800 band, and in the Realme GT Neo 2 I'm getting about 850 kind of band, but after some time it will try to change. Now I'm getting 2cc 4G plus. So 2cc's in this Realme GT Neo 2 and 1c in the Realme X1 Max. Now let me try to start the test, and right now I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus in the Realme GT Neo 2. So right now I'm getting the, let me try to do the test again. So right now I'm getting 4G plus sometimes, and sometimes I'm not getting the 4G plus. So I did start the test at same time, and I did start the stopwatch as well. Right now I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus in the Realme GT Neo 2, and I'm getting 4G plus in the Realme X1 Max. In the Realme GT Neo 2 sometimes I do get, sometimes I don't get. I mean even in the both phones as well it's kind of similar kind of condition, but it's not that consistent in terms of the 4G plus in the both phones. But right now the Realme X1 Max was able to get the 4G plus. Let's see until this complete video which phone will be having the 4G plus signals most of the time. Comparing both phones side by side, we'll get to know clearly what is going on right now. Right now both phones are connected to the 4G plus aggregation. Let me try to start the test at same time. Again the 4G plus went. So let me try to do the 4G plus. What is happening is that in the Realme GT Neo 2, if I try to keep the phone slightly sideways, then I'm getting the 4G plus. Again if I try to bring in front of the camera, the 4G plus is going. I'll try to show you again. I'm trying to keep the phone side, and then I'm getting the 4G plus. Right now I'm getting 4G plus. Now let me try to cancel and start at same time. So I started at same time in both phones. Right now with the same kind of, both phones are getting the 4G plus. Now try to look at the stopwatch as well. Now this is a perfect scenario, friends. It's very hard for me to maintain this kind of 4G plus. So again the 4G plus is gone in the Realme GT Neo 2, and the speed slightly got decreased. You can see it's not that consistent. Then the Realme X1 Max was able to maintain the 4G plus consistent. So that's the reason why the Realme X1 Max did finish the speed test first. So let me move to the next test, which is a speed test between these both phones. So in the download test, the Realme X1 Max was able to maintain slightly kind of better 4G plus. And let's see right now what is happening. The Realme X1 Max, I was able to get the 4G plus, but you can see clearly the difference, the speeds. The Realme X1 Max was able to have the high speeds than the Realme GT Neo 2 in the same location, using same Jio SIM card, only same servers, everything is completely same, but different results. Right now only I did get the 4G plus again in the Realme GT. Again it went. It's not staying continuously consistent. It's not staying 4G plus sign. So whenever I want to do the testing at same time, the 4G plus immediately goes off in the Realme GT Neo 2. But in the Realme X1 Max, it's maintaining consistent. It's consistently maintaining the 4G plus signal. If you try to observe the signal strength, slightly 3 bars detected in the Realme GT Neo 2 and only 2 bars. Just out of curiosity, I'm trying to mention. But the high speeds are coming in the Realme X1 Max device when compared with this Realme GT Neo 2. Into the high speeds data, you can clearly see what is going on. Again high speeds in the Realme X1 Max only. Overall friends, the Realme X1 Max has got slightly kind of better 4G plus when compared with the Realme GT Neo 2. Maybe with the next software updates, it might be able to fix it, because this is a very new phone. So I cannot blame. Definitely it takes some couple of updates to get optimized this Realme GT Neo 2. I can definitely feel that. Now let's do the individual test in both phones regarding the speed test, how much the phone can actually reach individually. So even individual test, I'm trying to do this phone did reach up to 15, 14, not bad. So 15.2. In the Realme X and Max, the speeds can go up to 46.46 Mbps as well if I'm getting the 4G Plus. As you can see, 46.1 Mbps as well using the 4G Plus sign. So it can go that kind of high speeds in the Realme X and Max. Wow, that's a huge difference, friends, between these both phones regarding the 4G Plus connection. I'm trying to do the multiple times testing as well, just to clarify. So depending upon the bands as well, so if it connect to one band, it will try to give one speed. If it connect to another band, but right now you can see it's getting about 40 Mbps of speeds. OMG. Wow, that's really huge difference between these both phones. So at same location using same Jio SIM card. So let me just start doing in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's check what is happening in this device, whether I can get any kind of high speeds or not at this point. Even this phone also is trying to reach that kind of high speeds. Not bad, it's doing, but not as much as high as this Realme X and Max. Realme X and Max went up to 40 as well. So all friends, in the 4G download and the speed test results, slightly the Realme X and Max has got 4G plus aggregation stable continuously. It's really stable. That's what I did observe in my testing. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, friends, between both phones. What are the different testings you want me to do? Definitely I'll do my best to post the videos as soon as possible for you all. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.